Welcome to Emilac Online Tutorial. Now before us is this word problem, and it says that 1/4 of the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 14. Find the odd numbers. Now first of all, let us understand what odd numbers are. Now odd numbers are those numbers that cannot be divided exactly by 2, and they are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on and so forth. Okay, now the next thing we need to look at now is 2 consecutive. Now 2 consecutive implies that two numbers that follows each other based on a particular sequence or based on a particular difference. Okay, now for instance, 1 and 3 are consecutive odd numbers. Now this is the first odd number. The next odd number that is supposed to precede or follow 1 is 3, making both of them are what? 2 consecutive odd numbers. Now 3 and 5 are 2 consecutive odd numbers because after 3 the next odd number that must be or that must precede 3 is what? 5. Now 1 and 5 are not 2 consecutive odd numbers because 5 cannot precede 1 as the next odd number. Okay, if that's taken, now we've now cleared the air regarding odd numbers and 2 consecutive odd numbers. Okay, so now that is established, look at these numbers here. 1, okay, is a factor within all of them, which means we can get 1 from 1, we can get 1 from 3, we can get 1 from 5, we can get 1 from 7, we can get 1 from 9. So if we subtract 1 from all, now we get to have that x. Let us make 1 as that x. Now before that, what are the difference between them that give them that consecutive pattern? So 1 and 2, the difference between 1 and 3 is 2, right? Difference between 3 and 5 is 2. Difference between 5 and 7 is 2. The difference between 7 and 9 is what? 2. Which means their difference is what? 2, 2, 2, 2. So if x, let us represent x, 1 as x. So if we take 1 away from 3, that will be x. Then we are left with what? 2, right? So which means we can add what? 2. So x, so if here is 1, here is 1, so 1 plus 2 give us what? 3. Okay, now the next one we have here, we have x then plus what? 4, right? The next one here is what? X plus what? 6, right? And if you take a look at this, if we subtract x from x plus 2, we get 2. Now we subtract x plus 2 from x plus 4, we also get 2. We subtract x plus 4 from x plus 6, we also get 2. Okay, so which means this is the pattern of 2 consecutive unknown numbers. Okay, so here we now have 1 over 4, which is 1/4 of, that is times, then in bracket 2 consecutive odd numbers. So let the first odd number be x, and we know that the difference between a particular odd number and the next odd number is 2, right? So we now say plus x plus 2. Okay, so that will give us what? 14. Now we have 1 over 4, then into adding the x plus x, we have what? 2x plus 2, all equals what? 14. Now the next thing we need to do here, let us multiply both sides by 4. Why do we do that? This is to help us eliminate 4 from here and make the equation linear. So this will cancel this. We are left with what? 2x plus 2 equals 4 times 14 times 4 give us 56. Now let us subtract 2 from both sides. We have 2x. When we take away 2 from both sides, this will now give us 50 what? 4. Now let us divide both sides by 2. So our x will now give us 27. Take note, the question says find the odd numbers. So the first one is what? 27. take note, the next consecutive odd number will be this number plus 2. So here we have that will be 27 plus 2 give us what? 29. So these are the two consecutive odd numbers to which when you add them and you divide by 4 to give you 14. Thank you and God bless you.